turmeric. This good for ma, you know, when you have like ma, it's called.
Yeah.
Oh, this is turmeric. This turmeric. This we use it a lot when we cook.
And it's super medicinal.
Super medicinal, yeah. Oh,
inflammatory.
yeah. Every morning, usually I drink ginger, turmeric, and lemongrass, because so in the morning when we sleep, what does the body do? When we sleep, the body is like detoxing toxic, you know. And when that happens in the morning, we have to bring out all the gas. That's why we go to the toilet, you know. This is for so all the toxic has to get out. And this is also gas in that when the body does that, there is many gas. That's why this gas has to go out also. And that's why in the morning I usually do turmeric, ginger, and lemongrass. Turmeric will help the body to get rid of the gas, and the ginger will also gas, then it will be out. And lemongrass, for example, is many vitamin C, you know. So when after we sleep, it's good to drink that. So all the gas problem will be good.